Hi everyone, my name is Matt Narentz and I'm a senior product designer on the Create team. And I'm just going to show you a few issues that I'm working on in 13.1. So the first one is making the design collection more visible in the issue UI. There's been a lot of feedback that the design tab is difficult to discover, and because of that, people don't use it or they feel a lot of friction trying to use it. So as an MVC solution to that, we want to simply make it more visible. And some of our proposed designs include just bringing the designs into its own section similar to linked issues and showing the thumbnails here, and being able to somehow click to access all of the thumbnails in a dedicated page so it's easier to navigate through them. We played around with looking at different layouts, different size thumbnails, but ultimately we like something like this where the thumbnails are smaller, you can fit more on the screen, you get information on hover, and you can horizontally scroll through them and still access them on a separate page so that you can see them laid out more clearly. The next issue I'm working on is a really simple one. It's just being able to copy the URL for a particular design. So if you're in the design view, you want to be able to grab that and copy to the clipboard. So the simple MVC solution for this was just to add a button in the header. We have a lot of space in the header for that button. There's not a lot of actions up here competing right now, and in the future we will probably end up refactoring this header and adding a lot more features to it. But in the meantime, it's really easy just to add a copy to clipboard button right there. And the last issue that I'll be working on is being able to paste a design link in Markdown, and the URL will shorten and it will have a nice short form that's easy to read, that doesn't look like a huge URL. That one I haven't started any designs on yet, but essentially once you save the issue, the Markdown will shrink the URL down to a nice title similar to issues, so you won't have that long URL.